Alright, so we are going to learn how we can create a WP form plus of your subscription form. So we are going to the dashboard. So here is the subscribe to our news. So you are going to use the subscription form plus of a contact form. So let's go to our dashboard. So when you go to our dashboard, we are having WP forms on our dashboard. We are having WP forms on our dashboard. So what we are going to do is that if you are not having some on your dashboard, go to the plugins and go to add new. You search for WP forms, then you install. So if you are having some, you all go to all forms. So you go to all forms. Okay, so when you open the all forms, you'll be seeing create a new form or add a new form. So when you click on add a new form, so you'll be seeing that the form will be loading. It will be loading. So it will ask you to enter the name of your form. So you are going to create the simple contact form. So you click on that one. Alright, so now you see that I'm having simple contact form, name, email, comment or message. Then you see submit. So when you click on the simple contact form, you can change the name. So you can see we are having the simple contact form here. Okay, so you can use any name for it. So let's say I'm using dice training contact form. So we are creating the contact form. Dice training contact form. Then the description is where you can write anything about us. Let's say when the persons contact you, we saying thank you for contacting. Let's say dice training will get to you very soon. So you can type anything for that place. Here is the button. So you use submit, or you want to use any distance, you can use submit. If you want let's say another word for submit, you can change it here, then you use any other name for it. So you go to the notifications. So you'll be seeing email subject. So here you can change the contact form here, the simple contact form, then you enter the name that you use for the contact form. Like dice training, you can see it here, dice training contact form. So you can use that name for that one. So let's say, can I copy? All right. So then I copy this one, then I paste it here. So Dice Training Contact. So you'll be seeing Dice Children's Foundation. Then you go to save. So now it is saved. You are going to the field to add some settings here. So you are going to do that. So after that, I've opened this. I'm going to numbers. Alright, so when you pick the number, then you paste it under the email. So you will be seeing that the number. So when it loads, then you click on it. Then you'll be seeing the numbers here. Then you enter, let's say, phone. Okay, so when we say required, you'll be seeing a required. This thing here, required means compulsory. So the moment you pick the required section here, you'll be seeing that some red this thing will come in. So if the person didn't enter his or her number, still the person can't proceed. So have you seen when I deactivated it? You'll be seeing that the red this thing here had been missing. So you can click on required. The person must compulsory add his or her number. Alright, so let's continue. So sorry if you are having two numbers on your phone. This one you have to delete that one so that you get your phone here, the contact or message, comment or message. Then you go to save. So I'm going back to my dashboard. Going back to my dashboard. Then I will go to all forms. So you'll be seeing that the form that I created has been appear here. So you'll be seeing Dice Training Contact Form. So I want to add the newsletter sign up form. So I'm going to add new. And this one, you go to create a newsletter sign up form. Alright, so then you close it. Then you'll be seeing the name, last name, email, and submit. So this one I'm going to delete the name here. So you click on this delete bin here. So this one we want only the email address, and we want only the distance. So you go to settings, then you go to newsletter subscription, or you can use the same as sign up subscription form. So I'm going to use the newsletter subscription. Alright, so after you are done, you can go here, then you change this one to subscribe. Alright, so now after you go to notification, then you'll be seeing the form from name. So that from name, you can come here, the confirmation message. So you go to confirmation. So thank you for contacting us. We will be in touch with you soon. So let's say, let me delete it and thank you for subscribing to. Thank you for subscribing to our newsletter. We will be sending you updates. Then you bring poster. Then you go to save. So when it is saved, you can close the here. So right now you'll be seeing the newsletter and the contact form there. So right now you are going to add the newsletter and the contact form. Right now we are going to do the newsletter first. We are going to add it to our footer. The place where you can see this one. You see subscribe to our news. So there we are going to send in this form there. So we will be going to appearance. Then you go to customize. So you see nothing is here. So we are going to put that form, the subscription form there. Alright, so right now we are going to add that form to the footer. Alright, so it is loading. So as you can see from here, nothing is here. Later you'll be seeing that the subscription listing will be there. So right now you are going to widgets. So you are going to footer navigation form. Then you go here, you'll be seeing the the WP forms. Subscribe to our newsletter. Then you click on this one. So you'll be seeing subscribe to our news. That is here. This report is there. Subscribe to our news. Then you go to select your form. Then you select the newsletter subscription. Alright, so it will be loading. Then you click. After it finished loading, you click on publish. So right now we are going to refresh the site for you to see the form. Alright, so right now you can see you can see the email and the subscribe button. So right now when you click on subscribe, have you seen that it is saying that this field is required? Means it's compulsory for the person to enter his or her email address. So this is how to create the form and add it to your footer. Thank you very much.